Today I show you how you can fold your t-shirts so they are neatly packed, nicely arranged, and they take the minimum amount of space. Let's check it. There are a few ways to fold the t-shirts, and there is a really fast way that I will probably link in the description if I don't forget. But there is also, this is a more interesting way that you can have the t-shirts really compacted, and you can also keep them in a narrow shelf. This is very useful for if you have them on a shelf that's not deep enough to hold the t-shirt in the regular fold, where it's double the width backwards. So you put the t-shirt on the back. This is the back of the t-shirt, and you fold one side to the collar, fold the other side also to the collar. Doesn't really matter which side is which, but what matters is that the whole t-shirt becomes straight, and you can fold in the collar like this, the sleeve inside. Now you take from below all the way to the top one fold. You make one fold here, and from here you divide this fabric in three pieces, three parts, imaginary lines here and here. So you make two imaginary lines to divide the t-shirt in equal parts here. You have the option to either put the collar on top so it shows the collar, or it hides the collar. It depends how you fold this. I don't think there is a right way or wrong way. So if you start folding with the collar here, it will be hidden. If you start folding with the back, the below side, it will be shown. So it depends what you prefer. I will show you now where you hide the collar, and you do the first fold, the first third, and then the below third folds on top of the collar. So the t-shirt becomes one even part, one even piece of fabric where you don't see the collar, and there is one side that is it's one piece, and the back is two folds. It looks interesting like this, but you don't see the color, so maybe you want to start with the opposite side and leave the color for the end, when you want to see if you have a V color or a regular color or different models. This is really totally up to you. The result for me, it would be the same, but maybe you would prefer it like this. They still look pretty nice, but there is a bit of a problem. It takes a bit of time to do this, and there is a much faster way to arrange the t-shirts, and I will show that to you in a future video, or I will link it in the description if it's already published, if it's available. This is it's really useful if you have thin shelves where there is not much space to put the t-shirts, and you can really use the space well like that. I hope this helps you. Let me know how you fold the t-shirts, in which way, or if you fold them at all. I hope this helps you, and let me know in the comment section below if you roll your t-shirts, or you fold them like I showed you now, or you just throw them in the bag as they are, and which is your most preferred way to save space in your luggage. Also, when you pack your t-shirts and clothes in general, you can use a vacuum bag to save even more space. The downside of that is that you need the problem with the vacuum bag is that you need to have a vacuum on the way back. You need to have, because you need a vacuum to do that. The downside of using a vacuum bag is that you need a vacuum when you go and when you come back. So if you are traveling to a hotel, they might have it, they might not have it, but it's worth trying. Thanks for watching. I think I covered all of them. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it now. Let's do it now.